Hi and welcome to video number 6. In this video we're going to cover how you can make your sales funnel even more profitable. So far in the course we've covered how to create a good front-end product. We've also shown you how to make your sales funnel very profitable by adding an upsell, and also to make it even more profitable by adding multiple upsells. But this video I'm going to show you one tweak that you can make to make your sales funnel even more profitable, and not only that, but you'll be able to build a monthly passive income at the same time, and that is by adding a downsell. Now downsells are very effective, and it kind of speaks for itself. It's going to be cheaper than your upsell. So if you remember what I said, when you send people to your main product page, your front end offer, the upsell will be more expensive, and then any additional upsells will be more expensive, but a downsell kind of speaks for itself. The price will actually go down. So if they don't want to purchase one of your upsells, you then give them another option of purchasing another product but a lot cheaper, and often your conversions can be very good. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly how my funnel is set up to promote my downsell, and also the exact product that I sell as a downsell. So if we go back to my front end product, which is Avalanche List Building, this is the main product. So people come to this page after they opt in. If they purchase this first one, they then get redirected to this product here, which is my upsell, and then they get sent to my second upsell if they purchase my first upsell, and then if they purchase my second upsell, which is this one in front of you, they will then get sent to my downsell, which is my membership, which is Paul Nichols membership, paulnicholsmembership.com. This is my own membership site which I sell, and I build it up by adding downsells into my funnel. Now I don't only sell this as a downsell if they actually purchase my last upsell, if that makes sense. So this page in front of you, if they purchase this course, this email course here, then I send them to this page here, which is just a video for my downsell. If they don't purchase this product here, then they will still get sent to it, because the no thanks link points to the same page, you see. And this is what you should do to increase profits. When you send them to a no thanks page, don't just send them to a please check your email inbox now. It should be going to your downsell page, and then obviously of course on your downsell page the no thanks link can then go to a confirmation page, and this is exactly what I do. Obviously I've got my buy button there where they can join my membership. So this is the way that I've set my entire funnel up. Okay, I'm giving you my entire funnel here, and this has taken me months of testing and setting things up and trying different methods to increase conversions and the best price points. So this funnel in front of you is very effective, so by all means, use something similar yourself. But this video here, which is for my downsell, the key to an effective downsell, which I found, is by keeping the price very low and by selling some type of a monthly subscription based product, because this helps you build a monthly passive income. Now it's all good selling products when you get a commission or you make money yourself with your own products, but with a monthly passive residual income stream, you're going to get paid month after month, and depending how good the retention is in that membership site, you will continue to get paid for every single person that joins for many months until they actually leave. But obviously it comes down to retention. Now my membership site here, Paul Nichols membership, I've got a very good retention. It's many months. So the moment I get somebody in my membership site, they will stay for many months. So my downsell has proven to be very profitable and very effective for increasing my profits. Now, another tip I will give you is I currently use a $1 trial, which is very effective. They don't just go straight in and pay $17 or $27. I actually give them a $1 trial for 24 hours. Now, this is a killer tip. This is something that I wasn't going to share because it's a very powerful strategy if you decide to use it yourself. Of course, if you promote an affiliate membership site, then you of course don't have the option to choose how you actually arrange the price, how you set it all up, and that's fine. But if you create your own membership site at some point, don't think that you have to go out right now and create your own membership site. This is just to give you an idea of how my funnel is set up and how you can do yours too. So if you ever decide to get a membership site into your funnel, your own one, then I would highly recommend that you give people a $1 entry, which is going to give them a trial for so many hours or days. I mean, personally, I do it for 24 hours, and that works out fantastic. My conversions go through the roof. So keep that in mind. It's a very effective strategy to use, the $1, and then if they want to stay, then obviously they pay the full $17 or $27 a month, whatever it is. Now, there are lots of different affiliate membership sites out there, or membership sites that you can promote as an affiliate. So don't think that you have to go out and build your own membership site as part of your funnel, because remember what I said in the previous videos, didn't I? I said don't try and get your entire funnel created overnight, because it's just not going to happen. This has taken me months to put all mine together, so don't think that yours is going to get built overnight. Create your front end product and then just progress from there, as I've said previously in the videos. Now let's go back to the actual downsell, how I sell this. Now this is a video that I've got on the downsell page. It goes on for a few minutes, and all I do is just give people a walkthrough on the actual membership admin area and just show people exactly what they get access to. So it's a really simple video. It's not something that is going to take you very long to create. Whether you're an affiliate or if you own your own membership site, you can do this just as easy. If you're an affiliate, then log into the site yourself, get access, speak to the membership site owner and just get access, and then you can give people a walkthrough on exactly what they're going to get, and this does work very, very well. So you could do this as a downsell and just add a button at the bottom there. It doesn't have to be a delayed button. You can just leave the button there and just obviously connect it to your affiliate link, or obviously if it's your own membership site, put your link in there and then just put a no thanks link at the bottom there, and then if we click on that link, that will just go to a page where it says thank you for your purchase, please check your PayPal email inbox now for your purchase. So that's all you have to do. But obviously don't include this confirmation page link until the very end of your funnel. Yeah. So this is the downsell, and this is how you can add even more profits to your overall funnel. This is a super powerful tactic to use. I see a lot of people use downsells in their sales funnels, but hardly no one uses membership products, and especially the $1 trial. The $1 trial, especially after somebody seeing a product which is a $37, $47, $97 product, when they immediately see after that a $1 product, your conversions are going to be very high. So take note of this. You can either sign up to be an affiliate to a membership site, or obviously create your own, but don't try and do everything at once. This is just something that you can add into the mix, add into your funnel when you get a chance, and this will definitely increase your overall profits. And the most important thing to take away is that you will be building a monthly passive income, which really takes the pressure off your shoulders to sell products all the time and every day. Because once you get a good little residual income built, that's going to be a passive income that you get every month. A few people may drop out now and again, but like I said, if you get a membership site which has a good retention, then your conversions will be good and people will stay for a very long time, and you will continue to get paid month after month for a very long time as well. So let's go through the funnel one last time. So my front end product, if they purchase this, then they get sent to my upsell. If they don't purchase this, they then get sent to my upsell anyway. Yeah. If they do purchase this course, then they will again get sent to this page. So if they do purchase that last course, or if they don't, they will still get sent to the same page. And then if they decide to leave it, no thanks, they will just get sent to my downsell, which is a $1 downsell, which is for my membership site. Okay, and that is how my funnel is currently set up. It's quite simple. Once you've spent a little bit of time working on your funnel, stuff like this will become really easy for you. So don't look at this and think, this is going to be difficult for you to set up, because believe me, it's not. So that is the video on downsells, and that is how you can add more profits to your sales funnel by adding a recurring income stream. So that is the end of the downsell video. Take this very serious, because using a downsell in your sales funnel and promoting a recurring income stream product is very, very powerful and very effective. So definitely make the use of this when you set up your sales funnel. That's it for the video. In the next video, we're going to cover some extra tips that you can use in your sales funnel to increase profits, and I'm just going to go over the entire course, all of the information that I've covered in the entire course, and give you a complete blueprint to follow, and also give you some other extra tips as well. So that is the end of video number 6 on how to add even more profits to your sales funnel by using downsells. I will see you in the next video, which is video number 7. Take care.